At approximately 9:48 a.m. on the 5th of May 1947, a train derailed on a sharp left-hand turn curve between Ferny Grove and Camp Mountain stations on the now closed Derailment railway line, approximately 15 kilometres northwest of Brisbane in the capital city of Queensland, Australia. It is said that the train derailed due to excess speed of approximately 32 kilometres per hour, which is double the speed of the area. As the train descended Camp Mountain log, it suddenly picked up speed before the first curve. Carriages rocked dangerously, causing luggage to fall from overhead racks. Lighting fixtures rattled. Women and children started to scream. Quote, "I realised something was wrong and yelled, 'Hold on, here it comes.' Then there was a terrible crash. We were showered with flying glass and flung all over the compartment." End quote. Mr. J. O'Mara of Bulimba, a survivor who was travelling on second carriage, said, "The locomotive left the rails on a left-hand curve with a radius of 6 chains, approximately 120 metres, at an estimated speed of 64 kilometres per hour. The locomotive tipped on the right side, ploughed into the embankment. The coal tender upended and the water tank set free. The first carriage struck the water tank squarely. The 3 leading passenger carriage telescoped into the wreckage. All of the carriage and the 2 leading compartments of the second were destroyed, while the leading bogie of the third carriage derailed." It is said that out of 215 passengers, 16 people tragically lost their lives, while another 38 were injured. Locomotive number 824 from the incident was repaired and placed back in service. In May 1967, exactly 20 years after the disaster, it was withdrawn from service. As a gift from the Bungle Shire Council, the locomotive was towed to the southwestern Queensland town of Injune, approximately 700 kilometres northwest of Brisbane. It now sits behind the town's ambulance station. It is listed in the town map as, quote, "historical steam train," end quote. The now McLean Road South follows the route of the then Derailment train line. As we drove down McLean Road South, we felt an overwhelming sadness come over us as we thought of the tragedy that had happened on that eventful morn. Tonight, and past nights, we try to communicate with the deceased, and we will try to acquire some more facts regarding this horrible incident. The following are our findings.
Okay guys, you now know the history of where we are, the derailment. We were having a look around. We found the monument, obviously, and a gentleman on a bike, he stopped and asked if we're looking for artefacts. We did find some. We found these, which we believe to be coal. Troy, if you want to zoom in on that. Now, as you can see, there are layers on that one. There's layers on that. All these pieces have layers, and they break easily. As you can see, they break easily. So we believe this is coal. This is a stone. You can definitely tell the difference in them. So they're definitely not stones, and for starters, a stone. I couldn't do that too. So we believe, and as you saw on the video, all this stuff's up there. Now, a few other things we have found. We have found, we'll go from this one. This piece of glass here. You can see how thick that is. We believe that's from a train window. And no car windows are like that, not that thick. And it's who knows, this could be 70 years old, this piece of glass, if not a lot older. This piece here, this piece of glass here, we have no idea what it's from. There is writing on it, something limited, LTD. So we're not too sure what that's from, but it could be, what did you suggest, Troy?
Medicine bottle.
Medicine bottle. It could be from medicine bottle. We will be keeping these and getting some of it. If anybody who's watching knows anything about history and know what could be, can you tell us? Bit of porcelain, possibly from a toilet maybe that was on the train, but I don't know if there was toilets on trains back then.
Or a sink or something.
Yeah, or a sink or a shelving unit or something like that. And there's one other piece of glass. We're not too sure. It's still too thick to be car glass or even glass from a headlight. Still too thick for that. So if you know what that, possibly what part of the train that could have been from, it could have been from the headlights, we don't know. So there's a few bits of artifacts that we will be keeping and trying to get somebody to tell us how old they are and so forth.
Use those trigger objects.
Yeah, and we're going to use them as trigger objects tonight. But we're going to go up to, as you heard on the video, there was either 16. We've seen 16 and 17 people died on the same report. But when the last time we were up here, we heard 17 come through the
Ghost tube.
The K2, not the K2, the
So
spirit
the ghost
box.
tube or spirit box?
SG4.
SG4, yeah.
We heard 17 come over a lot, so we're tending to believe there was 17 killed, not 16 like part of the newspaper article. So yeah, that's the area. Bugs hanging around, sorry guys. So that's the, hang on, missed him. That's the area that we're going to go tonight. So hopefully you guys will enjoy tonight. So we're going to go up there and come back here. So this one could be a long one for you guys.
But we have a feeling it's going to be a good one.
Yeah, more of a documentary, to be honest. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this tonight. So say hello, Troy.
Hello, Troy.
See you soon, guys.
Hey, can you do that again, please? Can you light up that little ball? I just caught the cat ball just going off, so I quickly press record.
Did you get
Just the end of it, yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Plate is here, so... If there's anybody here, can you please light up one of these objects we got on the ground? Oh, there we go.
There we go. Thank you so much. Is there any chance you can light up one of the other ones? There's another 3 of those balls. Light one of them up for us, please. Okay guys, we're up the road a bit. We have been here before, but we may post this one first, so we'll go through it. Back down that way, that was where the train incident you guys just watched. Probably 1 or 2 k's down that way. You got the walking trail right through the forest here. Leads over to Ferny Grove Station, pretty much. Last time we were here, a few times we've been here. Oh, Capel. Hello there. A few times we've been here. What have we caught? We've caught footsteps. We have caught. We were sitting in the car at one stage. I said, Troy, wind up your window, quick, lock your door. Because I heard 3 or 4 footsteps right next to his doorway, walking alongside of the car. Then, as I turned on the ignition, my dash cam started recording. But I didn't hear this at the time. Troy said, the light just lit up over there. Looks like a torch.
Oh, cat ball.
Hey?
Cat ball.
Oh, cat ball again. Might reset to see what happens. Oh, this is the one that's hard to turn on. Off! There we go. That's been reset. Let's see what happens. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, as I turned on the ignition to wind up the windows, Troy heard a knock on the door, on the window, and sure enough, our camera actually caught that knock, so we did hear the knock.
Heard footsteps, about 3 footsteps behind us.
Tapped on my window. He went. Also, at this spot, we also heard, as soon as we got to the car, kookaburras going off late at night.
There was only one, I think.
Oh no, it sounded like there was a few.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought there was only one. But it was later than now, and we didn't even hear a kookaburra. Otherwise, we would have mentioned something saying, okay, nighttime kookaburra hit, laughing. That's probably not unheard of, but neither one of us acknowledged that there was a kookaburra. So, yeah, there are people just down there. They were having that's private property over that side, but they looked like they were setting up a fire. Looked like they were going to have a party, but the fire's pretty much gone now. I just saw a flashlight going down there, so I assume somebody's down there. Every now and then we'll see cyclists come through. Did you hear that?
No, what?
I heard. I'll come up and do it. That,
No, I didn't hear that.
but not that loud.
No.
Well, hopefully the camera picked that one up. Two of them. So what we are going to do once we've finished here, we're going to head back down to the train derailment and do another literally, probably majority of the night will be down that one section, so fingers crossed we get something. So yeah, we'll begin the investigation. Say hello, Troy.
Hello, Troy.
Again.
Again.
So let's start this, guys. If somebody's in that garden, I think I just heard some movement in there.
I heard that movement.
No,
before.
oh, you heard that?
That's when I said to you, I'll point this way, and I said I heard a footstep or something over there.
No, okay. There's a little plastic ball just in over there. Can you move that for us, please? If you move it, it just lights up. That's all it does.
That was a tap on your car, dude.
On my car.
Yeah.
10 minutes too late.
When?
When you asked about it. Asked somebody to do it.
Oh, yeah. And the rest.
Yeah. We're here as friends. We're not here to disrespect you or hurt you in any way. We're just here to try to get some information, maybe to loved ones for you. There's footsteps up there. That's
Everything's
Troy.
turned off on my phone, but not on my watch.
Yes, that was Troy's watch. Oh, we need footsteps up there, dude. No one up there.
And this is the part where you can find all little parts from the wreckage that's still it's not even embedded in the ground, it's just on top.
Right here. Right here. Try to find out decent one. All this along here.
What we also got to do is get the stuff out of the car and use those
yes.
trigger objects.
Yes, definitely. There you go. As an example. Oh, turn that off. That's what we believe is coal.
Oh,
sorry,
gee,
Troy.
that hit me right between the eyes. Are you serious?
Sorry, guys. Sorry, Troy. But I still went for that piece there. There you go. Show that's not rock. That's... I'd love to get it tested, see if it is coal.
Well, we've got a whole bunch of it in the car, so...
Yeah.
Hit me right between the eyes, man.
Bit of comedy for you guys.
Right in the ridge of my nose.
I was aiming. Pow, right between the eyes.
Okay, we heard you.
Yeah, that was something, wasn't it? Eventually I want to walk up that way. Today when we did the earlier video, beginning of this this investigation, I got to just before a driveway. My stomach just started churning. Not long after that I realised that I was puffing, and I walked away, the stomach stopped churning, I stopped puffing, so
over here. Is there anybody there? Can you light up one of the devices over there? If you can, if you're over there.
camera will be able to hear this quite easily. Oh, cat ball. Did
Funny,
you just start recording with
No,
that?
I was already recording.
Oh, nice.
When you were saying that the camera will pick up your phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was recording.
Nice.
Can you light that up again, please? Are you able to light up that cat ball one more time, please? There we go.
There you go. There's another device here, the green light. Could you walk near that for me, please? Or just put your hand near it and it'll light up and make a noise.
It won't hurt you.
We are here to try to communicate with James Hind, the driver of the train accident. Are you with us tonight? Oh, yeah. Is there anybody else here? Is there anybody here who'd like to talk to us? If you say something into this device in my hand, we'll be able to hear you straight away. That could have been I hear you. How many spirits are here tonight? I heard a number then, but I'm not too sure.
Heard 20 before.
Yeah, I heard 20 before I asked that. Can you say that again? How many spirits have we got here tonight?
Is that a hello?
Possibly. How many people died in the rail incident?
Is that James?
Hey?
Did it say James?
Did somebody just say James?
Again?
Is there any chance somebody, whoever's here, can you say my name please?
Clayton. Yep.
Could you say his name please? I heard a trip.
I didn't hear that.
Can you say his name again please? Sure, I just said his name.
Is that Troy?
No, I'm sure it was my name.
Oh.
Can somebody tell me how many people passed away here on that?
Was that by a full name?
I thought it actually said Troy Bruce, but it may have said your last name. We'll definitely check that one. Okay, can somebody tell me how many children were on the train that was derailed here?
Thought I heard 3. If you can hear voices, that's because there's a house to the right of us, so you can hear people yelling.
Swear I just heard 14, but the report was 15 children were in the train.
Right. I think I heard 14 again.
How many people were on the train, all up, including the driver? Sorry, I gotta stand.
What's the name of the driver of the train? It sounds like saying, yeah, he's old.
I think Clayton. Can somebody tell us the name of the driver of the train?
Clayton, I heard again.
John? Don't. anyone here who'd like to communicate with us? John or Johnny?
Johnny.
That'd be Jimmy. Can you tell us his last name, please?
John.
Hey.
John again.
I think I heard you say his last name. Can you say his last name again, please?
Did it ask if you can see me?
I think it was this evening.
What happened here? What happened to the train?